So what I'm very much hoping for, maybe 2 to 3 years, maybe slightly longer, is I want to get the FBI out of the desktop computing business. I don't want to have desktop computers for unclassified or secret. When it comes to top secret, that's probably a bridge too far. I understand that. But in terms of unclass and secret, I want to go thin client or zero client for all of our users, and I want to deliver that through secure wireless. And that's a high bar to set for ourselves in terms of making sure that we're delivering that securely in our facilities. But what I want is for our agents and analysts, as they come out of training, to have that thin client or zero client with them. When they show up at their field office on their first day, they pop it up, that device registers to wireless, and they have all their resources right there when they need it. When we have a critical incident somewhere else in the country, they take their thin client, they throw it in their bag, they fly to wherever, they pop up, they register through the network, and they have all their resources right there, right then. It changes teaming for the organization. It changes our ability to be agile and nimble and respond more effectively to critical incidents, but also to the day-to-day concerns of the organization, making sure that we're making capability available to our folks wherever they are, however they're working. Doing the same thing on our mobility platform, making our cell phone as able as we can and keeping it secure. So delivering a full suite of applications to their mobile device where they can really take advantage of it.
And how about the radios? Do you see that sort of fitting into that same sort of, as a service kind of capability with what's going on with FirstNet and everything else?
Certainly, and that's part of the conversation is as we're evolving our mobile phone platform, do we look to go to a push-to-talk that's tied in with FirstNet? What are we going to do in terms of that? And at this point, recognizing that the FBI is not a first responder community,
sure,
because we're not, but we are right there on the front line with our our first responders as we're responding on critical incidents. How do we tie in more effectively? How do we remove those barriers from collaboration? So one of the things that we're looking to do fairly early on with Office 365 is what's our opportunity to federate with our federal, state, local, and tribal partners. And to what degree do we want to do that, and to what degree can we do that securely? So that's one of the other things that we're looking at to try to make ourselves more integrated with our federal, state, local, and tribal partners as we're executing the mission of the FBI.
Well,